Meet the M202 Flash, a flamethrower rocket launcher that looks like something out of a video game. Developed during the Vietnam War, this beast fires 66mm incendiary rockets. Each rocket contains triethyl aluminum, a chemical that spreads and ignites on impact, turning enemy bunkers and trenches into fire zones. It fires up to 4 rockets in quick succession with an effective range of 200 meters. That's way farther than traditional flamethrowers. Powerful but controversial, the M202 has left its mark on military history. Would you carry one into battle?
Syncing target data.
Green light.